Alright everybody, how's it going? This is Hairball the Robot Skinner coming at you with another episode of Happy Fun Time with Hairball the Robot Skinner. This is a show where I take the skin off of animatronic stuffed animals, and today we have a elephant, and here is what it does currently. The tail wags, the head has light movement. This was a $3 stuffed animal thing. I think it was on sale. We got it at Goodwill. So, yeah. But the children seem to like the song. So, personally, I am not a fan of that song. I've heard that way too many times. But so.
Okay.
We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Here we go. Alright, there we are. Boy, this one really gave me a fight, I tell you what. But let's see if he's still working. Sometimes when you do this, the button kind of gets dislodged, and that's no good. But I think we're good, so let's see. Wow. That's not working anymore. Yeah, there was definitely a problem with the mouth action before I even started messing with this thing, but that's kind of weird. It looks more like I don't know, maybe like a vulture now. I mean, check that thing out. And then it's got these weird things inside. You'll notice that it was also kicking around a lot. It had a lot of stuffing in there, so they got to make the motors for these things so it'll actually do the animatronic a little extra strong. But yeah. That's that. Alright, watch for the next episode of Hairball the Robot Skinner. Happy fun time. Bye-bye.
Are you gonna do the